Hello, today we will guide you through how to work with Microsoft PowerPoint. To begin, open the PowerPoint app. Once it loads, you'll arrive at the main start screen where you can begin creating a presentation. If this is your first time using PowerPoint, this opening screen is where you choose how you want to start your project. Next, click on Blank File. This gives you a clean presentation to work with without any pre-built content. Starting with a blank file is a good option when you want full control over the layout and style of your slides from the beginning. After your presentation opens, move to the top left area of the screen and click on Insert. This menu is where PowerPoint keeps many of the tools used to add content to your slides. It's an important tab to get familiar with because you'll return to it often while building your presentation. From there, click on New Slide to add another slide. This allows you to expand your presentation beyond the first slide and organize your content across multiple pages. Adding slides as you go can help keep information clear and easier for your audience to follow. Once your slides are in place, click on Design at the top of the screen. The Design tab is where you can change the overall visual style of your presentation. This is useful for giving your slides a more polished and professional look without needing to format every element manually. Now select a sample background. Choosing a background or theme helps create a consistent appearance across your slides. Try to pick one that matches the tone of your presentation and keeps your text easy to read. A clean background often works best, especially if you plan to add images and detailed text. Next, click on Insert again to insert a photo and a text box. Photos can make your presentation more engaging and easier to understand, while text boxes let you place written content exactly where you want it on the slide. As you add content, try to keep the layout balanced so the slide doesn't feel too crowded. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to design your presentation. PowerPoint will guide you with available options and menus as you continue editing. Take your time to arrange your elements, adjust spacing, and make sure everything is easy to read. With these basic tools, you can begin building a clear, attractive presentation that fits your needs. That's how to get started working with Microsoft PowerPoint.